Hey, third grade. Today's objective is we are going to compare and classify other polygons. Yesterday, we talked about parallel lines. So the word parallel, remember I taught you that you can circle the two L's in parallel and they will help you remember what parallel lines look like. They'll run side by side and never intersect with each other. If I have a rectangle, I see that I have one set of parallel lines. That's one set that run that way. But then I also have these pair of parallel lines that will run side by side and never intersect. So parallel means they'll run side by side and never cross over each other or intersect. Remember, a triangle has no pairs of parallel lines because eventually when you extend those lines, they intersect with each other. Right there. Those are not parallel lines. So that's just a quick review from yesterday. So let's review. A polygon is a closed figure with line segments. So all of these are examples of polygons. And a triangle, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, a hexagon, an octagon. These polygons are named based on how many sides they have. And that's something that we started learning about in kindergarten, first grade. So we know a triangle has 3 sides, and a quadrilateral has 4 sides, and a pentagon has 5 sides, and a hexagon has 6 sides, an octagon has 8 sides. Polygons are classified by their name based on how many sides they have. So this might be a slide that you might need to come back to. Rewind the video and come back to if you're having trouble remembering how many sides, what a 7-sided figure is called or what a 5-sided figure is called. You can come back to this part of the video to help you remember their names. Now there's something else that makes polygons special besides being a closed figure with straight lines. We have 2 different types of polygons. We have regular polygons where all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. But we also have irregular polygon and a polygon that is not regular. So in other words, a polygon that doesn't have equal sides or that doesn't have equal angles. So let's take a look at some more examples. Here are some more examples of regular polygons and non-regular or irregular polygons. So a triangle. This is a regular triangle because all the sides are the same length and all the angles are the same. But these are examples of irregular polygons or non-regular triangles because we have 2 side lengths that are the same, but then we have 1 side length that's different. This is not considered a regular polygon or a regular triangle then. Same with the other 3. We have a regular quadrilateral. All the sides are the same length and all the angles look like they're 90 degrees. But over here, we have examples of irregular quadrilaterals or irregular polygons. The square. We have 2 sides that are the same, they're the opposite, and these 2 sides are the same. Not all 4 sides are the same length. That's what makes it irregular. The rhombus, the example right here, you might be saying, yeah, but Mrs. Hoflein, all the sides are the same length. But the angles are not. This angle and this angle are the same, and this angle and this angle are the same. The opposite angles have the same degrees. Not all 4 angles are the same, which is what makes it irregular. A pentagon is our 5-sided figure. You might need to remember that today. So when we look at the regular pentagon, I can see that all the angles are the same and all the side lengths are the same. Here are examples of irregular pentagons or non-regular polygons. That's because the side lengths are either not the same or all the angles are not the same. I want you to take a look at this example that I have for you right here. This is considered a pentagon because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 sides. So I know that a 5-sided polygon is called a pentagon because of 5 sides. Now my question is this a regular polygon? Are all the sides the same? Are all the angles the same? Or is this an irregular polygon or an irregular pentagon? Take a minute and think about what you would want to put for this. This pentagon is actually an irregular or non-regular pentagon. And that's because our angles, even though all the sides are 1 inch, all the side lengths are the same. Our angles inside, they're not the same. I have 2 90-degree angles, so I could even make that square in the corner to show this is 90 degrees and that's 90 degrees. But when I look at my angles above, this is not a 90-degree angle, and this is not a 90-degree angle, and this is not a 90-degree angle. So even though my side lengths are all 1 inch, my angles are not the same degrees, which means this is an irregular pentagon. So in today's independent work, you guys are going to be answering questions about regular and irregular polygons. If you need to, you can rewind this video and watch any part of it again, especially if you need help naming the polygons. All right, bye guys.